This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ramon Santiago. Discover an excellent investment opportunity in Homosassa. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home sits on a 0.57-acre lot and is being sold as is and cash only due to its distressed condition. The property requires a full renovation but offers tremendous potential for investors, flippers, or buyers looking for a project in a desirable location. Located by US 19 shopping, medical facilities, schools, and the beautiful natural attractions of the Nature Coast, this property provides convenience paired with strong upside potential. Whether you're looking to rebuild, remodel, or add to your rental portfolio, this is a prime opportunity at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out. Properties at this price point move fast. For more information, review the details below.